Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate user feedback with Typeform step by step clearly. First, go to the Typeform website and create a free account if you don't have one already. Once logged in, click on the Create a Typeform button. Choose a template or start from scratch. If you start from scratch, select the blank option. Begin adding questions by clicking on the Add Your First Question field. Select the type of question you want to use, such as multiple choice or open text. Customize your question by entering the text and adjusting settings like required responses. To enhance user experience, use the Logic Jumps feature to direct users based on their responses. Next, add a thank you screen to conclude the survey. Once your questions are set, click on the Design tab to personalize the look of your Typeform. Choose colors, fonts, and images to align with your brand. After designing, move to the Settings tab. In the settings, enable notifications to receive alerts when responses are submitted. To automate user feedback, integrate Typeform with tools like Zapier. Log into your Zapier account and click on Make as App. Select Typeform as the trigger app and choose the event New Entry. Choose the specific Typeform you created for user feedback. Next, select an action app where you want the feedback to be sent, such as Google Sheets or Slack. Map the fields from your Typeform to the action app to ensure data is transferred correctly. Test this app to confirm it's working properly. If the test is successful, name your Zap and turn it on. Return to Typeform and click on Share to generate a link for your feedback form. Distribute this link to your users through email, social media, or your website. Monitor responses in real time from your Typeform dashboard to evaluate user feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.